Grow your business to another level and reach out to more customers through Unleash Software's B2B Store Guest Access feature. With the Guest Access feature, you can allow guests to browse and explore the store without the need for an invitation. This tutorial will show you the key steps to set this up. First, decide which products you want to showcase for guest users. You can do this by going to your B2B store settings, select the inventory drop-down on the left-hand menu, and products. For this example, we will select all products. To do this, hover over the left-hand action cog and click Select All, then hover again to make sellable. Another thing to consider is how your product categories will be viewed by guest customers. You can organize your product categories in inventory, products, and categories. The next step is toggling on the Guest Access feature. Go to the Customers drop-down and select Guest Access. Switch on the Allow Guests to Browse Store toggle. This will allow guest customers to view all listed products in your B2B store. Switch off to only allow invited registered customers to browse products. In the Guest Access settings, you also have the option to show the product prices should you wish to. Furthermore, you can customize the login page to show your brand name logo and a login blurb under Store Settings and General Settings. When you're happy with your settings, don't forget to save the changes. Now, guest customers can browse the store through the B2B login page by clicking on the Continue as a Guest button. We'll now cover a few important notes on payments. Guests can pay for orders if the B2B store is connected with Stripe. Enable this in Settings, click on Orders drop-down and Payment Settings. From there, you can toggle on Enable Payments for Guests, a great feature for those one-off customers. All guest orders will be made to the guest customer that you'll need to create in Unleashed and allocate in your store's guest access settings under Customers. You'll only need to set up one guest customer for all your guest orders, and this allows you to set guest-specific pricing for B2B store products. To do this, set a sell price tier or customer pricing against the guest that you have allocated in Unleashed. When you navigate back to the B2B store guest access settings, select Guest Customer for guest product pricing and type in the guest customer created in Unleashed. This will pull through to the store, providing full control of the pricing visible to guests in comparison to regulars. Please note that if your B2B store is not connected with Stripe, guest users can view products but cannot purchase items, even if the products are set to sellable. If they want to purchase from your store, they will have to request access. They can do this by either clicking on Don't Have an Account in the Guest Access view, or by clicking on Request Access on the login page and filling out their details. For instructions on how to grant access to customers to your B2B store, watch our dedicated Academy video or check out our help files. Thanks for watching.